Hello friends, what you are going to see today it will be difficult to believe at first glance. A single man, a dense forest, danger everywhere. What in the middle of this forest? Such a secret luxury shelter will be built which you too will be surprised to see. Make sure to watch the video till the end because what will be revealed at the end is the most wonderful part of this whole story.
Running! Hey, over here! Not enough, keep going.
Keep back. Growl. Whimper. Don't come in. Snarl.
I've never seen anything like this. It's truly ancient.
I'll get this out. Just needs a little more work. Almost there. Keep going. All right, just a little tighter here. Oh, that's good work. Done. All right. Just like that. Let's step back and see. Almost finished. Now for the test.
Works.
It works, just like I designed it. Perfect. Completely seamless.
Almost done. Just one more. Time to get these lights going. Cozy in here now. Perfect, that should do it. Perfect. The flow is strong and the water is warm. Perfect fit. Oh.
Finally, sunlight. All right, table set. Now for the logs. Looks good. I'll go get the wood.
Another one settled.
The sky is beautiful today.
Perfect evening. What a storm!
After many days of hard work, patience, and wisdom, this secret luxury shelter is finally ready from the outside. It looks just an ordinary wooden log, but inside there is a cozy and safe house hidden. If you like such survival and secret shelter videos, then like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell in the comment which secret shelter you would like to see built next time. See you in the next adventure.
Welcome to your perfect escape. Every detail crafted for comfort.